Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Capital One Shopping to your web browser so you can automatically find deals, coupon codes, and rewards while you shop online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Capital One Shopping website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Add to your browser. It's free to install. Click the Add button, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. For example, if you're using Google Chrome, you'll be asked to confirm by clicking Add to Chrome. After the extension is installed, you may see a confirmation message or a small Capital One Shopping icon appear near the top of your browser. This means the extension is active and ready to use. From now on, when you visit online stores, Capital One Shopping will automatically show you available cashback rewards and apply the best coupon codes at checkout. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you add Capital One Shopping to your browser, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.